Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Jasmine in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one, color it black, and also this one, make it black, and put on this earring, and put on this item, and you can color it with this gold color. And then you're going to put on this item, make it this blue color, and then this necklace from the Valentine update, make it this color. And then you're going to put on this jeans, and then we're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to make it this blue color. Okay, this is for the color code guys, and then for the second selection, make it blue. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room. And from here, I'm going to go to the coats item, and we're going to put on the dress from the summer update. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, this dress, and then we're going to change the toggle. I'm just going to make it top only, and then we're going to apply the same blue color, this one, and then I'm going to make it glitter. And for the next selection, we're going to make it gold. Okay, this is for the color code. Alright, and I'm going to go to the Valentine update. And I'm going to put on this bracelet. We're going to make it this color for the first selection. And also the second selection. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to put on belt. I'm going to move to this area. And I'm going to put on this item. Okay, make it this color, and then this item. We're going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, make it this color. Okay, it's done. And the last one, I'm going to put on a heel, this one. And for this heel, we're going to make it blue for the first selection and also the second selection. Hey guys, and finally you will have this look, Princess Jasmine look without VIP and Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!